Svetlana with Fancy Pants Hair, and today I'm going to be doing a little different video. It's actually a product review. Now, I've been doing hair for a long time, and I'm usually super skeptical of the latest and greatest styling tool. So when I came across this one, I was seriously pleasantly surprised. It is called the Sutra Styling Wand, and it is pretty darn awesome. Let me tell you why. First of all, this thing is like heavy duty. Feels like professional quality. I love it. Also, I'm not getting paid to do this by this company. I just really like this product. So many clients want those flat iron curls, but their two major complaints is it's hard to do on yourself because the curls end up uneven and you get weird kinks in them. Yeah, I get it. It's hard to use a flat iron to curl your own hair, and this takes care of both of those problems because it doesn't have a clamp. So how does it work? Let me show you. If you want to try the Sutra wand, I'll leave a link for you below. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Svetlana with Fancy Pants Hair. Oh, make sure you subscribe.